Kamusta mga kamag-aral na interesadong aralin ang mundo ng mathematics? Tara, aralin nating mabuti at intindihin mas madali ang mathematics. Sa video na ito ay ang focus ang General Mathematics, Lesson 3, subject ng mga grade 11. At kung ikaw ay grade 11 na o papunta pa lang, kailangan mo ito dahil ito ay Lesson 3, General Mathematics ay ang evaluating functions. Paano nga ba mag-evaluate ng functions? Yan ay isa sa mga lesson na matututunan mo dito sa video na ito. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you will never miss out on our future videos. Thank you! To our lesson 3 of General Mathematics, Evaluations, Evaluating Functions. First, what is evaluating functions? Evaluating a function means replacing the variable in the function. In this case, x with a value from the function's domain and computing for the result to denote that we are evaluating f at a for some in the domain of f, we write f of a. So, ibig sabihin, papalitan natin yung mga variable sa functions. Depende sa kanilang mga value. Papalitan natin mga variable sa isang functions. Depende sa kanilang mga value. Example, evaluate the following functions at number 1, x is equal to 1.5. That's number 1 to. Number 1 functions is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So, papalitan natin tong x na to, lahat ng mga x dyan ng 1.5. So, magiging f is equal to 1.5 is equal to 2 times 1.5 plus 1. So, 2 times 1.5 plus 1, 2 times 1.5 is equal to 3. Plus 1, 4. So, functions of 1.5 is equal to 4. Ganyan lang ang pag-evaluating functions. Example number 2. Example number 2. X is equal to 2. The functions is q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. So, lahat ng mga x dyan, ito yung value niya, papalitan natin ng 2. Mangyayari, q of 2 is equal to 2 squared minus 2 times 2 plus 2. So, 2 squared is equal to 4. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4. And plus 2. So, PEMDAS ay MDAS, mas nauna yung subtraction kaysa sa addition. So, isusubtract muna natin to. Negative 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So, q of 2 is equal to 2. Example number 3. X is equal to 1.5. So, yan. Ang equation ay g of x is equal to square root of x plus 1. So, ganun ulit. Papalitan lang natin lahat ng mga makikita nyong x ng 1.5. So, g times g of 1.5 is equal to square root of 1.5 plus 1. So, 1.5 plus 1 and g ang mangyayari ay 1.5 plus 1 is equal to 2.5. So, wala naman na tong square root, wala tong square root yung 2.5. Ito na ang sagot. G of 1.5 is equal to square root of 2.5. And ito naman ay example number 4. X is equal to 1.5. 1.5 ulit. Evaluate the functions at x is equal to 1.5. Ang functions ay r of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. So, ganun ulit ang process. Lahat ng mga x dyan ay papalitan nyo lang ng 1.5. r of x 2 times 1.5 plus 1 over 1.5 minus 1. So, 2 times 1.5 plus 1 is equal to 4. And 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 0.5. So, 4 divided by 0.5 is equal to 8. So, the final answer is 8. Ganyan lang mag-evaluate ng functions kapag rational ang given. Next, example number 5. Paano naman kapag ang given ay x is equal to 3x minus 1. So, f of 3x minus 1. Ito ang equation niya ay f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So, ganun lang ulit ng process. Papalitan natin lahat ng mga x ng ito, 3x minus 1. So, f of 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 times 3x minus 1 plus 1. So, first, multiplication, i-multiply, PEMDAS, parenthesis, ito muna, multiplication ang mauna kasi variable ang nasa loob. 2 times 3x, gamitin natin yung FOIL method. FOIL method ang gagamitin, 2 times 3x is equal to 6x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2, and plus 1. And negative 2, so, since this is variable, may variable siyang nakatabi, ito ang pagpa-plus natin. So, negative 2 plus 1, order of operation, negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. So, 6x minus 1. F of 3x minus 1. Pasensya na pangit sulat. Ito na ang final answer. 6x minus 1. And example number 6. Example number 6. Ang given natin ay x is equal to 2x plus 3. Ang given functions natin ay q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus plus 2. X squared minus 2x plus 2. So, ganun lang. Papalitan lahat natin ng x ng 2x plus 3. Q of 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 3 squared yan minus 2 times 2x plus 3 plus 2. Next, ito muna natin, i-squared muna natin, gamitin natin ang FOIL method. Dito muna tayo mag-focus. 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. So, naka-square niya. Ibig sabihin ng square na to, dalawang ganito. So, gamitin natin ang FOIL method para ma-evaluate natin to. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 3x plus 6x 3 times 2x plus 6x 3 times 3 plus 9. Using FOIL method, ito ang lalabas. So, itong magkaparehas, 6x plus 6x, pagplasin ang magkaparehas na variable, so that is 12x. Ang 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Ganun lang kapag may parehas sa variable, ipag-plus natin to. Ito kasi may squared, so hindi na sila parehas. Pero kung wala tong squared, pwede mo siyang isamang ipag-plus. Ngayon naman, dito naman tayo sa part na to. Negative 2 times 2x, that is negative 4x. Negative 4x, and negative 2 times 3, negative 6. Negative 6, tapos bring down plus 2. So ganon, may parehas sila itong parehas sila ng variable, so pagpa-plusin natin to. 12x plus 4x, parehas sila dito. 9 plus negative 6 plus 2. So bring down mo na si 4x squared, pag-plusin mo tong 12x plus negative 4x, that is 8x plus 8x. Then positive 9 plus negative 6 plus 2, that is positive 5. So paano nangyari yan? Ipag-plus mo natin itong 9 sa negative 6. So pagkatapos ipag-plus ng 2, ang lalabas ay positive 5. So the final answer is 4x squared plus 8x plus 5. Next, itong pinakamalagang tandaan sa parts ng equation of functions. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Ito ang tinatawag na input. Ito naman ang output. Ito ang input, ito ang output. This is input. Ito naman ang output. Input ng functions, ito ang output. So hanggang dito na lang. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Thank you.